Hello guys, this is the video everyone has been waiting for, the zombie attack, how to make zombie attack game part 3. So last time what we did so far is we made the zombie spawn here till there and they get damaged, and the bullet stops when it touches a zombie. But the problem is you don't know if you really touch the zombie because one game before here, wait, the zombies flash up. Wait, yeah, so to do that light brightness effect you have to go to zombie and then you need a if then change zombie lights by 1 and then you need to go to look, change ghost or brightness by how much is 25? Wait, you see, hey, oh no, or nah, we'll pick another. Oh wait, I'll just show you why I'm not doing it like this. And then change brightness by minus 25 minus 25. Okay, now we have this, and then it's really fast, so you want it to wait 0.2 seconds. Maybe that should do it, but let's try it out now. So but now the zombie stops a little. So now the zombie stops a little. So but you want it to get moving, so yeah. I think I'll just take another when I start as a clone forever, and then if touch it. Okay, now we have this. When I start as a clone forever, if the zombie is touching bullet, then you want to change brightness effect by 25 and wait 0.2 seconds and change brightness effect by 25. So now the monsters of the zombies won't stop. Well, now they're continuously coming, which is gonna solve the problem. So when it dies, it doesn't do the effect anymore. So it's possible. So this game is possible. Actually, you have to win cause you have no life limit. So to add lives, maybe if you want it with hearts or something like that. I don't know how you want it. If you want hearts or something like that. But I will do without hearts. So enter if touching zombie, then you want to have a variable named my lives. So for kit for this sprite only. Okay. Player Oh, then rename variable player lives. So player, you'll name the player your no, not youth, your lives. Okay, you rename it again and your. Oh wait, already deleted cause and then I'll call it my lives. My lives. Okay. Now we'll call it player. Okay, now if touching zombie, then you want to change, or, but firstly you want to set my lives to. I want to set my lives to 3. 3 sounds good, or maybe 5, but more than that, it's too much. My lives by -1. Okay, and then you need an if then. In this loop, if you need an operator, like if my lives, the wrong one. If my lives is less than 1, then you want it to wait 1 second and then stop all. So I want it like that. Stop all, or you can make a sequence. For example, my how to make a guess the number game on Scratch are there. The game asks if I want to play another round or not, so the yes or no one. You can look at that video, so watch that video to know a little bit more. So in this corner there should be appearing a link to it, so click on that now. So okay, let's continue. Now what we have is this. Go in and 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so it's too fast, so you'll take this. Oh no, it's actually pretty much the same sequence, but it's okay. So here also wait 1 second here for my lifespan -1, 0.2. But now start again. Let's 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, but now I didn't try to move away from the zombie. So now when I try to move away from my zombie, my whole program stopped because it should wait 2 seconds, but after 2.0 seconds, the zombie is touching you, so you can't move. For that, you need to put in a other program. So if you put it in this program, it waits 2.0 seconds to do this whole program. So you take a forever loop and when flag clicked. So now try the same again, and now you can smoothly go through a zombie lane, but you lose lives. and then it stops everything. For that, I want it to go to a game over backdrop, upload a backdrop. I think it's pictures. Nah, no. Hit like a game over backdrop. Oh, I think it's in my, wait. Yeah, okay, now I'm back again. Now we have this game over backdrop. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, it's too big. Take this and then black, put complete black, and then I'll put thickness to maximum. So you just go to Google and put in game over. So now you can draw perfect lines. So do that. Everything looks perfect. Now great. It looks normal. Like now it looks natural. Okay. So you need an if, or no, you want, and then you want to switch to backdrop. Okay, this backdrop has a really long name. Game. Oh wait. Game over. Okay, now we have named it to game over. Sounds a lot easier. Save it for now. So switch to backdrop. Switch to backdrop game over. Wait 1 second, and then it stops everything. And then you also want it to hide this variable. So hide variable my lives. And you want it to hide itself. So yeah, and you do the same thing to zombie. If put an if then if in the forever loop, not in this loop. If backdrop number if backdrop number equals game over, so it should be called in the same way. If backdrop, oh, it's backdrop number 2. Doesn't really matter, because if backdrop number equals 2, then hide. Oh wait, just duplicate it there. So now we have this now. Okay, let's see if everything works. So you want it when flag clicked. So sorry. When flag clicked, switch to backdrop. Switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Okay, now everything is normal. Let's see if everything works. And 2, 1, great. So wait, the last test is, And then, oh, you can't really see where you are. I guess you have to make yourself show variable my lives. Variables, show variable my lives, and then show, and do that to every other. When I start this clone, show. Okay, everything's great. So the other problems are automatically solved. Where are you? So now I can still move smoothly. I think 0.2 seconds is actually really fast. So I'll make 0.4 maybe. Then I won't lose 2 lives for 1 zombie. Ah. Okay, so I have to make it slower. 0.8 maybe that should do it. So okay, there's the zombie. So, okay, that's perfect. Now you only lose 1 life for 1 zombie. Right, and now that's exactly how this looks. But maybe you can upgrade it to another paint so you can draw 3 hearts. Maybe, I don't know, for lives. Ah, no, I don't want that. So everything is the same, I guess now. Maybe you want it to change the guns, so a machine gun and a pistol. So a pistol makes two lives from takes 2 lives from a zombie, and a machine gun shoots faster but only takes 1 life. Maybe we can do something like that, but that's for my next video. So like and subscribe, put down in the comments below with what I can help you with down here in the comments, okay? With what I can help you with. Like and share this video to all your friends, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Jet's Coding is out.